Welcome to Start My English. My name is Kevin Cohn, and this is the first tutorial that we have on Edmodo. Edmodo is going to be the digital classroom we are going to use, and it is a nice and easy format. So go ahead and type in edmodo.com. Now, I set the default language to English, which I hope all of you do, but for those who feel comfortable, especially those beginners who want to start off in their own native tongue, here we can change the language, but we're going to keep it in English for now. And I'm going to click on I'm a student. So we're going to sign in. Now you have some choices as far as how to sign in. Below you can sign in with Office 365, or you can continue with Google. I'm just going to quickly set up an account, and I want to set up the account with my dog. And we'll put Vincent Friend. Now here, the group code will be sent to you by email, and that is the classroom where you'll be working in. Now with the username, please don't put anything crazy, because I will have a difficult time trying to identify you. So maybe you want to be cool when you put Super Boss, and I have to find out who Super Boss is. So if I have to talk to you, or if I have to give back work to you, I would prefer you to put your real name. So username, I'm going to put Vincent Friend. Email is actually important. I'm not going to put it in, but email is important. In case you lose your password, you can recover it. I'm just going to go straight down to password, and I'll just put in that password there. Now, if we look at after we set up the account, is going to open, and I'm just going to X this account safety. Here it's talking about parents' contact information. The reason why is because when Edmodo was created, the primary users were for primary and secondary education. So that might pop up sometimes, but don't worry, you do not have to ask your mom and dad permission. So anyways, we're just going to go straight to the profile. And after profile, we will stop. So I am going to put a wonderful picture. I'm going to verify, put in my password. So here, it'd be nice if you put a personal picture, but you can even put an avatar. I'm just going to put this as Vincent. All right. And when you communicate with other learners in your class, each of you will have your own personal image. So it's very similar to Facebook. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and stop here. So what we've done is we've signed in to our class. This is our class right here. We have our little profile picture. And on the second tutorial, I'm going to talk about how we can navigate in this jungle. All right. Thanks for watching.